Okay. Now I want to say, this is quite interesting. Huh? Now I want to say Rama sees Rama. How will I say? राम रमा को देखता है. राम रमा को देखता है.
रामः
रमां पश्यति.
Wow, very good. रामः रमां पश्यति. रमां पश्यति. Okay. If I want to say I see to Rama, Rama. Okay, chalo Rama.
What is it, sir?
I see to Rama. I see Rama. See to nahi. I see Rama.
Rama pashyami.
Wow. Aham
Ramam pashyami.
Okay. Two Ramas sees one. Two Ramas see one Rama. How will you say?
Ramau Ramam pashyati.
Very nice. How Pashyati will come? Ramau.
Ramau Ramam pashyanti.
How Pashyanti will come? Only one option is left. Because see, Karta and Kriyapad both should match. Like Tau Gachatah, like Ramah Gachati, Ramau, that only will come. Because we saw Kartari Prayog rule. So Gacha Pashyatah. Got the point? This is why I took up this activity. Okay. Many Rama.
Oh, two. Okay.
Yes. Many Rama. Many Rama sees only will take. Many Ramas they write a letter. Single letter. Many Ramas all put together write a letter.
Ramaha patram
likhanti.
Patram.
Some of them you are good at matching this. Some of you are karma. Ramaha patram likhanti. Ramaha patram likhanti. Okay. Now I want to say many Radhas remember Lord Krishna. One Lord Krishna. Many Radha.
Radha.
Ha nahi hoga. Radha. You open your mouth. Ha. Radha.
Smriti.
Smarati.
Smaranti.
If many Radhas are there, Krishnam Smaranti. Okay, now I'm going to take your wicket. Many Radha remembers many Krishnas.
Krishna.
That you think now. This is googly more. Many Radha remembers many Krishnas.
Radha.
Okay, that is fine.
Radha Krishna.
How Krishna?
Radha Krishnam smarati.
Nahi, how Krishna? You have to decline Krishna Shabda, then only you will get plural. Otherwise, at least you should remember Rama Shabda. Rama, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan, Rama. So Krishna will, this way you have to think. See, you have to use your brain here.
Krishna.
Radha Krishna.
Krishnan.
Radha Krishnan. Radha Krishnan Smaranti.
Smaranti. Yes, sir.
Radha Krishnan Smaranti. Many Radha sees two Krishnas.
कृष्णाय
कृष्णो पश्चात्
once again,
Radha.
many Radha.
राधा कृष्णो पश्चात्
Radha is which vibhakti? Radha.
राधाः
Ha. Meenakshi ji, you are saying Radha. No, Radha ha. Radha ha. Ha. Radha ha sees many, two Krishnas, I said. So
कृष्णौ
Krishnau,
पश्यन्ति
ha, Krishnau Pashyanti. Okay. And what did I say? Radha Krishnan. This was difficult, a little bit. Means what? Whenever we study, we remember many few words. Okay, smaranti, pashyanti, chalega. So this is how small practice we done. Okay. To Radha, not Radha always. Satyabhama. To Satyabhama. To Satyabhama sees many forests.
वनानि
Very good.
वनानि पश्यन्ति
Satyabhame Pashyanti, how will come? Vanani
पश्यतः
Pyamah.
Pashyamaha. See, all I am getting answer means you choose anyone. Pashyatah. Why? Because Satyabhame is there. Okay. You all see many Ramas. Not many Bharatas, like many Bharat. You all see many Bharat. Very good. हाँ
रामाहं
नहीं
भरतः
yes, Rupa ji was right. हाँ, like you have to remember Rama Bahuvachan Raman, Bharat Rama Raman, Bharata Bharatan. Now the main thing. हाँ,
भरतान्
yeah, Raman Bharat.
पश्यत
हाँ, yes. That is called Dantya Tha. Okay, means touch, sound and breath. Only Ta means sound, touch. Touch, sound, Ta. And Tha means breath is also included in that. Yum. Okay. We all go to one state. We all go to one state. We.
वयं
Very good.
one
state is it?
Yeah, one state only.
state
Yeah, state. Do you remember?
राज्यं
Rajyam. Vayam Rajyam, like we go.
वयं राज्यं गच्छति
Gacchati. Yes, Vayam Rajyam Gacchati. Okay. I told you when Gacha Maha. Why Gacha Maha? Vayam came. So are you getting it where you all are losing focus? You have to remember Saha one dhatu Gacchati. Tau Gacchata. These 9 format along with their pronoun you can remember. So there is no confusion. Whenever you see Vayam, immediately the thought will come, Maha should come. No confusion. Okay. Many states are there. How will you say? Many states are there. Like plural.
राज्यमु no
Rajyam.
How Rajyam? Now you have to decline Rajyam Shabda. See, we are in initial stage. You get used to it now. So when I say plural, immediately the thought should come. Rajyam, plural, Rajya. Okay, many states are there.
Are there will be asti, sir? No.
Asti we haven't
Sorry.
seen, but same
Sorry.
dhatu we saw bhavati. Yes.
Many states. Rajyani.
Very nice. Rajyani. Bhu bhavati means is. Okay. Plural you have to use because Rajyani is plural and it is subject here. Yes. Rajyani bhavanti. Okay. Bhavanti. So Rajyani bhavanti means many states are there. Next chapter we will have that asti dhatu. When we decline that, it is more easy. We can use bhavanti. Rajyani bhavanti. So now your job is to remember everything. We are in the initial stage. After third, fourth chapter. So when you write down, that time you pay attention. Okay, Rajyani bhavanti. Okay. So we saw Pratham Purush, Gachami, all Uttam Purush, Gachami, Gachavah, Gachamah. What is your first homework? These 7 dhatus in 9 format. That is called standard format. Lat Lakar. Then Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Many words are there. We'll see one by one now. Okay. Chalo. Little bit practice we did. Now, chalo. Shabdaha. Many new Shabdaha which are Akaranta Strilinga. Okay. First one is Rama means what? Lakshmi. Rama. In Sanskrit we remember those Shabdas which will generate Punya. When you say Rama, 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 Ramaha, Punya will generate. Rama, again Punya. So first Shabda Rama means Lakshmi. Next is Bala. Balakaha means Pullinga, boy. Bala means Ladki, a girl. Ladki. Okay, girl. Okay.
Balika means girl.
Both are many. Sanskrit means many words, many words. Many words. Balika, Kanya. See, Kanya means also what? Balika only. Kanya means unmarried actually. But for little angels also we say Kanya. We had Kanya Ratna we say in Marathi. So Kanya means also the same. Ladki, all girl. Bala gacchati, Bala patati, Bale pathanti, Bale pathatah. Okay. Kanya means the same. Ladki. Second shabda we saw. Ayoyo. Okay. Next, Kanya means also Ladki. Okay. Next Shabda is Lata. Lata. We have heard this name. Lata means creeper. Lata means in Hindi they say Lata, but Bale also they say Bale. Okay. Creeper. Okay. Lata, Lata, Late, Lataha, Latam, Late, Lataha. Easy to remember. Like Vanam, Vane, Vanani, easy to remember. Lata and Latam. Bale means actually creeper. In Hindi they say Bale. Marathi we say Whale. In Hindi they say Bale. Bailoper means on creeper. Okay. Okay, next is katha. Katha means story. Katha. Katham kathe kathaha. If I want to say many girls, they are telling one story. Kanyaha or balaha katham vadanti. Kanyaha vadanti. Katham. Katham means in Hindi we say katha only, but story. Story. Creeper. I don't know spelling, but ठीक है. Creeper. Okay. Next is krida. Krida means sport. Sport. Krida. All are Strilinga Shabda. You can see. Krida. Krida means in Hindi the same thing. Krida means khel. Khel. Okay. Two more are remaining. Easy. Pathshala we already know. Pathshala. Pathshala means school. We had Akaranta Pullinga Shabda also, which was Vidyalayah. Yeah, Vidyalayaha. We have declined. Pathshala means school. In Hindi, Pathshala only. School. Okay, last very important, Vidya. Vidya is which Shabda? Akaranta Strilinga. Vidya. Vidya means knowledge. Vidya. Knowledge. Remember these shabdas also, because if I say Raja, what is shabda for Raja? Immediately Nrupaha. If not immediately, if I say Nrupaha, yes, we have heard this. That much should be there. So Bala, Kanya, Lata, Katha, Krida, Pathshala, Vidya. If you want mastery in this, today you decline all these words in 2 vibhakti. Generally we ask in 7, but we are in initial stage, so you can write down all 7 2 vibhaktis.
Pathshala another Striling.
Yeah,
No.
because it is Akaranta. Pathshala.
Yeah.
Vidyalayah is Pullinga.
Oh, so for the same thing, you can have masculine and feminine gender.
Many. That is what I told. Like Bhavan is third person only. For Tvam it is used, but different linga, different purusha.
So what I'm asking is, for the same school, you have two links, two genders.
Yeah, you can say Minakshi Vidyalayam gacchati, Minakshi Pathshalam gacchati. Same.
No, but you said, no, sir, this is Pathshala is Striling. And Vidyalayam is Pulling. That's what I'm asking.
Yes, Vidyalaya is pulling. What is your question?
No, my question is, school is one only, no? So for one noun, you have two genders.
Yeah, in Sanskrit it is there.
Okay, just wanted to know.
Main important thing is that object doesn't have gender. That word we decline in different gender. Like Mitram word is, pay attention. Mitram word is like I'm your friend. If I'm your friend, then I'm masculine gender. But Mitram Shabda is Napunsaklinga. In Napunsaklinga it declines. Mitram, if boy male is there, that is Pullinga. That person is Pullinga. But the word to indicate that person, Mitram Shabda goes in Napunsaklinga. Like Mitram, Mitre, Mitrani. another technical way, like Brahma, like consciousness, doesn't have any linga. It is above gender, beyond gender. But we say Brahma, the entity which has, it has different word, Brahma, which declines in Napunsaklinga. Brahma is not Napunsaklinga. The word to indicate that Brahma declines in Napunsaklinga. I hope it is clear. The things or beings are not linga. The word decline to them. They are Pullinga, Strilinga, Napunsaklinga. Is there, or I made it difficult?
No, sir. No. We'll catch it.
See, Vidyalaya, that Vidyalaya, there is one Vastu, like building. To indicate that, we have made Vidyalaya Shabda. So that Shabda has Pullinga, Napunsaklinga forms. I don't want to go into deep. Like Shakti Vritti, Lakshana Vritti, many things are there. We don't need that. Okay.
Go one by one.
We'll understand slowly, sir.
We'll try to keep it easier. Okay. So many things we saw. So if you want to master this, you decline all these words. Easy. 2, 3 you decline, then you just mug them or by heart them, like Kanya, Kanye, Kanyaha, Kanyam, Kanye, Kanyaha. Okay, if I want to say many Lata goes to many schools. Lata is a girl now here. Lataha.
Pathashalaha.
Very good. Lataha Pathashalaha.
Gachanti.
Perfect. Gachanti. Lataha, many. Gachanti, many will come. Now you see, Ramaha also same, and like Pathashalaha, both are plural. Somebody can say this is Prathama Vibhakti. You say no. Dvitiya Vibhakti is also same. I know what I am talking. If I use Pathashalaha, I know it is karma. That is why Dvitiya Vibhakti plural. What I am telling you know, Rame, Prathama Vibhakti also same. Dvitiya Vibhakti also same. So how to understand which is karma and which is subject and which is object? So based on what you want to say, it will define what it is. Okay, chalo, we'll make one sentence. 2 Ramas sees 2 Ramas. Now you make. It will be more clear.
Rame.
Rame. How Rama will come? Rupaji is right. Rame. Now don't make mistake.
Ashavaha.
Rama is third person. So you see, aham, avam, vayam.
Rame pashyati.
Pashyatah. If 2 Rames are there, then Pashyatah. So Rame Pashyatah. Now you know what you are talking. First Rame is subject. Second Rame is object. Though they are same, Rame Pashyatah. But both are different. Like Ramaha Pashyanti, can I say? Ramaha Pashyanti? Of course, because first Ramaha is subject, second Ramaha is object, and with respect to subject, I have Pashyanti. Ramaha Pashyanti. This is joy here. Okay. Now few more things and then we'll stop. Only these we'll see. A few things are left. We'll do that next class. I feel I should give more homework on Wednesday, so you get time to complete it. On Monday, if I give, you don't have time. One day nobody can come. We'll try to do in that. So today use just by heart, and this 7th dhatu you write down in many forms, 9 forms, and this all shabda Try to write down once only. Okay. Last portion. Few more are remaining. We'll see next class. Itah means yaha se. Yaha se. Like Ramah itah gacchati. Like from here Rama goes. Itah. Okay. Tatah means waha se, from there. Itah yaha se, tatah waha se. Yatah means जहां से, like जहां से राम जाता है वहां से सीता जाती है. जहां से यतः रामः गच्छति ततः सीता गच्छति. यतः रमे यतः रामौ गच्छतः. Now you see, at least you should understand. यतः रामौ गच्छतः ततः रमाः गच्छन्ति, सीताः गच्छन्ति. You see, I am changing accordingly. Yatah and kutah means from where. Ramah kutah gacchati. Kanyaha kutah gacchanti. Ramah.
Putra, no?
Yes.
You can say Putra also for
Kutra gacchati. That we saw in first chapter. Here kutah. You can say, if you want to make sentence like where did they go, you can say, see, where and from where different. Kutah, from where, like kahan se jaate hain. So Ramah vanat gacchati, that will come later, from this place. Kutah. Itah, from here. Tatah, from there. Yatah, from wherever. Yatah tatah will have pair, like yatra tatra, yada tada, pair is there, like that. Yatah tatah matlab jahan se wahan se. In Hindi also we make sentence jahan se, मुझे तो राम का नाम आता है. जहां से राम, जहां से कृष्ण जाते हैं वहां से राधा जाती है. तो जहां से वहां से सेम आएंगे. Always pair. Yatra tatra, yada tada, yatah tatah. अभी हम देखते हैं, we say हाँ, it is easy, itah tatah, but tatah tatah, all confusion comes. So you write down separately. See, writing means 10 times revising. So write it down properly. Yatah. We have 9 minutes.
What do we say for
which sentence you say? Tell me. Because sentence wise in Sanskrit there are changes. There is no which everywhere. Which color you like?
Which color do you like?
Which color do you like? So color shabda has different word, like kah varnah bhavan ichhati. Like rochate, like that. So you can't say kaha. Kaha means cone actually. But that way only we say.
Okay.
Kim varnam also we can say. Kim varnam.
Okay, Kim.
Bhavan kim varnam, like that. Which. Okay. Itah tatah yatah kutah. Varsha kutah agacchati. From where the rain comes. Yatah. Okay, yatah you will see in many places. Yatah means, since also means yatah. Okay, there is another meaning, since, but that is not this contextual meaning here. Since.
Since.
But not here. Chalo, ठीक है? So you try to write down all, and I know what happens, but you try. So I'm repeating last 2 minutes. Aham, avam, vayam. Aham is used in many places. Vayam also used in many places. Avam, limitations. They have pairs, gachami, gachavah, gachamah. Like that, you are going to write all these, like stha, tisthati. Let me try once. Come on. Yes, finally I got it. Stha, tisthati. Sada, sidati. Pa, pibati. Ji, jayati. Smru, smarati. Smruti don't say. Smarati. Smarati. And gha, gra, jigrati. Okay. Rama, rame, ramaha. Ramam, rame, ramaha. This is easy to remember. Ramam, because Dvitiya Vibhakti, all, like Gatim, Harim, everywhere ma comes. These both are same. Like that, many shabda, Vidya, Pathashala, nothing was new. Lata, we know this word also. And itaha, tataha, yataha, utaha. Itaha, yaha se. Like in Hindi also say, we say yaha. Yaha we don't say. Tataha, waha se, jaha se. Okay? So here we will stop. I will send this file to you. Okay.
And send a photo of the page also.
Yes, yes, both.
Please.
Yes. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.